job? Seriously? Visit Job News Live videos from YouTube. Subscribe and share.
Job notification number 470 by 2024. India, Karnataka, Bangalore City, Industry IT. Job title Global HR Data Steward. Education degree in Human Resources Data Management. Experience 4 to 8 years. Full time. Required skills Operations Management, Data Management. Notification number 471. India, Karnataka, Bangalore, Industry IT. Job title Cloud Availability Manager. Education BTech BE in any specialization in computers. Experience 6 to 11 years. Required skills Project Management, Microsoft Azure. Full time. Job notification number 472. India, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Industry IT. Job title Data Engineer, Data Warehouse. Education BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 2 to 5 years. Required skills HAVE, Data Warehousing, SharePoint. Full time 4 lakhs to 15 lakhs per annum. Notification number 473. India, West Bengal, Kolkata. IT. Worked Integration Consultant. Education BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 2 to 7 years. Required skills Workday Integration, Workday Functional. Full time 9 to 10.7 lakhs per annum. 474 by 2024. India, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Industry BPO. Company name Tech Mahindra. Job title UK Voice Process. Total vacancies 100. 100 vacancies. Education any graduate. Experience 1 to 6 years. Required skills Voice, NRE, Optus. Full time. Salary 1 to 5 lakhs per annum. Notification number 475. India, Maharashtra, Pune. Industry IT. Company name Tech Mahindra. Job title Mainframe Developer. Total vacancies 1. Education any degree. Experience 4 to 9 years. Required skills JCL, MQ, DB2. Full time 5 to 15 lakhs per annum. Job notification number 476. India, Uttar Pradesh, Noida. Industry BPO. Company name Tech Mahindra. Job title AMWFM. Total vacancies 1. Education any graduate. Experience 4 to 9 years. Required skills Assistant Manager WFM. Capacity Planning. Full time permanent. Job notification number 477. India, Uttar Pradesh, Noida. Industry IT. Job title Land Data Steward. Total vacancies 1. Education BSc in any specialization BTech or BE. Experience 5 to 8 years. Required skills Data Quality, Data Stewardship, HIPAA. Full time job. Notification number 478. India, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Industry Non-IT. Job title E-commerce, Tech Support, Customer Support. Total vacancies 250. Total vacancies 250. Education any graduate. Experience 5 to 8 years. Required skills Ground Staff Activities, BTech and Hospitality. Full time 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakh 25 lakhs per annum. Notification number 479 by 2024. India, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Industry Non-IT. Job title Machine Mechanic. Total vacancies 1. Education any graduate. Experience 2 to 6 years. Required skills Machine Mechanic Maintenance. Full time. Job notification number 480. India, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Industry IT. Job title Mechanical Design Engineer. Total vacancies 3. Education BTech BE in mechanical. Experience 10 to 15 years. Required skills Design HVAC MEP. Full time. Notification number 481. India, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Industry Marketing. Job title Marketing Platform Auto Analyst. Total vacancies 3. Education any graduate. Experience 2 to 3 years. Required skills Standard Operating Procedure, Digital Marketing. Full time. Job notification number 482 by 2024. India, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Industry Marketing. Job title Senior Manager Marketing. Total vacancies 1. Education any graduate. Experience 7 to 10 years. Required skills Brand Marketing, Marketing Management. Full time. Notification number 483. India, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Industry Marketing. Job title Digital Content Marketing Analyst. Education any graduate. Experience 3 to 5 years. Required skills Digital Marketing, Digital Content. full-time permanent. Notification number 484 by 2024, India, Maharashtra, Solapur Industry Banking, job title Relationship Officer, Senior Relationship Officer, total vacancies 30. Education HSC, experience 0 to 2 years, required skills sales, lead generation, full-time 1.75 to 2.75 per annum. Notification number 485 by 2024, India, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Banking, job title Collection Officer, Senior Collection Officer, total vacancies 10, education HSC or equivalent to intermediate, experience 1 to 4 years, required skills sales, collection, full-time 1.75 to 2.75 lakhs per annum. Job notification number 486, India, Karnataka, Bangalore Industry Non-IT, company name WSP, job title Assistant Landscape Architect, education Master's degree in Landscape Architecture, experience 2 to 5 years, required skills architectural design, interior designing, full-time. Notification number 487, India, West Bengal, Kolkata, Industry IT, job title Assistant Manager, Technical, total vacancies 1, education Diploma in Electrical, BTech, BE in Electrical, experience 4 to 8 years, required skills HVAC, DC, transformers, full-time. Job notification number 488 by 2024, India, Karnataka, Bangalore, Industry, Banking, job title Assistant Manager Accounts, total vacancies 1, education BA in Economics, BCom, BBA, BMS, experience 5 to 10 years, required skills SAP, transaction banking, reconciliation, full-time, salary 8 to 11 lakhs per annum. Notification number 489, India, Gujarat, Halol, Industry IT, job title Senior Engineer Assistant Manager, total vacancies 2, education BTech, BE in Mechanical, Ceramics, Diploma in Mechanical, experience 4 to 8 years, required skills slip house, mechanical maintenance, full-time 4.5 lakhs to 9.5 lakhs per annum. Notification number 490 by 2024, India, Gujarat, Halal, Industry IT, job title Junior Officer, Assistant Officer, QC and Lab, total vacancies 2, education BSc in Chemistry, experience 4 to 6 years, required skills QC, material testing, quality management, full-time 3.5 lakhs to 6 lakh per annum.